How to invest on Revolt app, full in-depth guide. First, you want to open up the Revolt app and access investments. Log in and tap Wealth or Invest section on the home screen. Here you'll find options like stocks, ETFs, crypto, and commodities. Choose your asset. So for stocks, browse or search over 2,500 available companies. You can also select ETFs, gold, silver, platinum, or over 200 cryptocurrencies. Research and select. Tap any asset to see its price chart, performance history, and basic info. Use this simple interface to compare assets, but note that Revolt's research tools are basic and best for beginners. Enter the investment amount. So tap buy, then enter the amount you wish to invest. Revolt allows fractional shares, so you can start with small amounts, and there's no minimum deposit required. Then review fees and confirm. Most users will get a monthly allowance of commission-free trades. After that, a small commission applies. Review the trade summary and check any conversions or regulatory fees and confirm your purchase. Then track and manage investments. Your portfolio is visible in the app. You can monitor performance, set up recurring investments, or set assets at any time. Use budgeting and analytics tools to track your overall wealth. Tips is that Revolt is ideal for beginners due to its simplicity and low fees, but advanced research tools are limited. Always review the latest fee schedule in app before trading. Investing carries risk. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Subscribe.